Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Zane, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Zane.
And I'm Anna. Hello, everyone.
Anna, you look very happy today. How are you?
I am wonderful, thank you. I had a really nice morning. It was very quiet.
Ah, a quiet morning. You know I love those. But Anna, you used a special word just now. You said your morning was good.
Yes, because the morning is finished. It is in the past.
Exactly. And that is our topic today, the past. We are going to talk about things that happened yesterday, or last week, or last weekend.
This is a very important topic for conversation. We always talk about what we did.
We do, but before we travel to the past, please remember to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. Okay, Zane, I am ready. Let's talk about the past.
First, we need to change the most common verb, to be.
Okay, so right now, I am happy.
Correct, but if we talk about yesterday, I was happy.
Ah, simple. Am becomes was.
And is becomes was. For example, today the weather is sunny, but yesterday,
Yesterday, the weather was cloudy.
perfect. Now, what about location? Where were you yesterday evening, Anna?
Yesterday evening, I was at home. I was with my cat, Bella.
That sounds nice. And I was at the supermarket. So I was, he was, she was.
What about you and we?
Good question. Are changes to were, W-E-R-E. So we are here today.
And we were here yesterday.
Exactly. Listeners, repeat after me. I was at home. They were at the park.
They were at the park. That is easy, Zane. But what about action words like cook or walk?
This is the fun part. For many verbs in English, we call them regular verbs. We just add two little letters to the end, ed.
Just ed?
Yes, for example, walk. Today I walk. Yesterday I walked.
Walk, walked.
Last weekend I walked to a cafe and I listened to music.
Listened. That is just listen plus ed.
Correct. Now you try, Anna. What did you do last night?
Let me think. Ah, I cooked dinner for my friend.
Cooked. Very good.
Yes, I cooked chicken and vegetables. My friend liked it a lot.
Liked. Another regular verb. See? It is easy.
It is easy. What about you, Zane? Did you cook?
No. You know I am a bad cook. I tried to cook once, but I burnt the water.
Yes, I remember. So you burnt the water. That is regular. Burn, burned.
Yes. So last night I didn't cook. I ordered a pizza.
Ordered. Okay, so walked, listened, cooked, burned, ordered. These are all regular.
But, Anna, English has a surprise.
Oh no, I don't like surprises.
Some verbs are irregular. They do not use ed. They change completely.
Completely? Can you give me an example?
The verb go. Today I go. Yesterday I goaded.
No, goaded sounds funny.
It is went. Yesterday I went to work.
Wow, go becomes went? That is very different.
It is. Let's play a game. I will give you the verb, you guess the past tense. Ready?
I am ready.
Verb eat. Today I eat an apple.
Yesterday, I ate an apple.
Yes, ate. A-T-E. Next one. See. I see a bird.
Yesterday, I saw a bird.
Perfect. See becomes saw. Next one. Drink.
Drink. I drank water.
Excellent. What about take, like take a photo?
Taked. No, took. I took a photo.
You are very good at this. One more, a very common one. Have.
Today, I have a cat. Yesterday, I had a busy day.
Brilliant. Have becomes had. Now let's put it all together. Let's tell a story about last weekend. I'll go first.
Okay, what did you do?
Last Saturday, I went to the city.
You went. Irregular. Nice.
I walked around the shops, regular. I saw a nice blue shirt.
Irregular. Of course, a blue shirt. Did you buy it?
No, but I bought a book. Buy becomes bought.
Bought. That is a tricky one.
Then I was hungry, so I went to a restaurant. I ate a big pizza and I drank lemonade.
Ate and drank. That sounds like a perfect day for you, Zane. Books and pizza.
It was. What about you, Anna? What did you do on your holiday?
I went to the countryside with my sister. We stayed in a small hotel.
Stayed. Regular. Nice.
We walked in the hills. We saw many sheep and cows.
You saw animals.
Yes, and in the evening we were tired, so we read our books.
Ah, be careful with that one. The spelling is the same, R-E-A-D, but the sound changes. Today I read like green. Yesterday I read like the color red.
Oh, so yesterday we read our books.
Exactly. Wow, we covered a lot of verbs today.
Regular verbs like walked and cooked, and irregular ones like went, ate, and saw.
It seems difficult, but the best way to learn is to use them in a story, just like we did.
So we have homework for you.
Yes. In the comments below, tell us, what did you do last weekend?
Write one simple sentence. For example, I went to the park, or I watched a movie.
We love reading your stories. Don't forget to subscribe to English with Zane so you don't miss our next lesson.
See you next time, everyone.
Goodbye.